Hi family, this weather is really getting on my hair, so I need to do something about it. As you guys know, we are on our 6 months hair growth challenge. So we need moisturized hair, we don't need dry brittle hair or else it's just going to break off. Sorry for my voice and my face, it's early morning. I want to start this process very early because it's a lot of steps in this process and it's a 3 days process. The first day I prepare all the ingredients. I will show you a clip. We got our full maximum hydration treatment ready. We got our caramel treatment, which was designed by Cherry Lola, our conditioner, our clay mask, our leave-in conditioner, and also our flaxseed gel. So those are all my ingredients. I prepared all of it yesterday. The second day is to apply the treatment and to apply the conditioner. Leave it on overnight. That's day 2. And then the last day, we continue the process. So this is day 2. I got our treatment here, and this is how my hair is looking. This hair really need hydration. It is very dry. The weather is so cold right now. In Atlanta, we also have snow, and my hair is not used to this because we moved from Florida here, so we are not used to this amount of cold and the change in the weather, but we are adjusting to it, and my hair is extremely dry. So let's see how we can fix this. I'm just going to take all of my twists down. I don't want this video to be extremely long, even though the process is very long, so I'm not going to talk too much. Finger crossed. This is how my hair is looking. This is our starting point after I took all my twists down. That's how it is looking. So I got our treatment here. I want to do this 2 weeks straight. So I'm going to share this into two because I don't have time to take hours to prepare all of this treatment. I'm just going to pour some in this bowl and use it. And then the remaining one, I'm going to go and keep it in the freezer for next week. This treatment is really doing something to my hair, to my curls. So far, I love it. It's making me to think of my fenugreek and my amla treatment because it's really clumping my curls together. So I'm only left with this section. I already done the back. Just going to twist this up and start on the last section. I'm done applying our first treatment. I'm going to leave this on for 2 hours under my shower cap. After, I will rinse it out and come back for us to apply our conditioner treatment. You can either use a conditioner, a moisturizing conditioner, or a deep condition treatment. Just make sure you don't use something strengthening, something strong, because this treatment alone is a protein treatment. So just go in with something moisturizing after the first treatment. So I will see you guys back here after 2 hours. It's been a couple of hours now. I'm just coming to rinse the first treatment out from my hair. Okay, family, so I'm done applying my deep condition treatment on my hair. My hair feels so soft right now. I'm just going to throw on my two shower cap and put this over my hair and probably just tie a scarf around it, and I'm going to sleep with this on. So I will see you guys tomorrow morning. Morning, family. So this is day 3. We are about to do the last process in this entire maximum hydration routine. I'm just going to take my conditioner out, and then I will rinse my hair and go in with our clay wash. So this is how my hair is looking. I'm now just going to rinse it out. It's a long process. Family, so I'm done rinsing out my bentonite clay. I also apply my leave-in conditioner into my hair, and then I'm now going in with my flaxseed gel. This is the last two steps for us to achieve the wash and go. So I'm just quickly going to do this off camera because I know this video is already too long, and then we'll come back and see the result. Hi family, so this is my end result, and I would love to get your feedback on it down in the comment section. I think my hair fully reached maximum hydration just on the first day, but I plan to use this treatment next week. and then I will skip for some months and then continue it again. I'm really loving the way my curls are all clumped together. I'm loving the way my hair is now able to retain moisture, and that's something which is very important for me. So if you love this video, please